Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
First thing I like to do is load some graham cracker into a food processor, hit puree, until I have some nice fine graham cracker crumbs like this. Now here I've got some walnuts, and I'm going to pulse these until I've got some nice small pieces. Something like this is perfect. Now just add both the graham cracker and the chopped nuts to a bowl, followed by some sweetened coconut flakes, marshmallows, and some mini chocolate chips. Sweetened condensed milk will bind all of this together. And if you want to add dates, raisins, cranberries, be my guest. And after about 20 seconds of mixing, it'll look like this. And after another 20, it'll really thicken up. And after another 20, it'll start to get chunky like this. At this point, you want to go ahead and kill it and separate it from the paddle. At this point, you pretty much got a no-bake cookie dough. So you could mold them into cookie shapes, or you could roll them into a ball. Roll them through powdered sugar, graham cracker crumbs, coconut flakes, even more nuts if you'd like. But let me show you how I do it. A date roll literally needs to be rolled up. So I just spoon in large portions into the center of some wax paper, kind of like filling a burrito. So you'll see here that you get some hands-on with the dough, pressing and molding it into shape. This is a real fun dessert to do with the kids or grandkids because it's quick, easy, and delicious. So once you think you've got it pretty well proportioned, all you've got to do now is fold the wax paper over and roll it straight through. And you can squeeze and press it tighter as you go. Make sure it's perfect. And once you're convinced it's ready to go, you want to put it in the freezer and let it set up for about 30 minutes. When it's done, you can just slice it into 3/4 or 1-inch slices. And if someone ever puts a wrapper on this, they're going to make millions, because these are amazing. These do require refrigeration, by the way, so if you don't eat all of them, which I'll be surprised, be sure to store them in the fridge. And there you have it. Date roll with chocolate chips, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.